If you are an avid road tripper or simply live in an area with variable weather conditions, a set of all-season tires is probably what you should have on your vehicle. All-season tires are what most cars come with, but many times you can upgrade from the factory tire options without a price penalty. Whether you just want a better tire for your ride, or it's time to replace what's on there, we've got you covered with our 10 best all-season tires buying guide. There are many products available to choose the best all-season tires, each with different characteristics. To help you make informed and perfect decisions, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best all-season tires from reputable brands. After much research, I found these very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Yokohama AVID Ascend GT. Over the years, Yokohama has built a reputation of reliability by consistently providing quality products that consumers love. The AVID Ascend radial tire is no outlier. This tire is designed to provide traction in almost all weather conditions. The tread pattern is asymmetric with varied groove and notch widths to help provide grip in wet and light snow conditions. The tread pattern was also designed to enhance water evacuation for better grip in wet conditions while still having added durability for better tread wear. The tire has a maximum load capacity of 1,074 pounds, making a set of these tires ideal for sedans, coupes, crossovers, and minivans. Yokohama claims that they will actually improve your fuel efficiency by up to 2 miles per gallon, especially on a sedan or coupe. Number 2. Continental TrueContact Tour. Continental added a lot of technology to this tire to make it versatile and durable. The tire's TrueContact tread pattern has high ratings in snow performance due to sipped intermediate tread blocks and traction grooves, the vertical ridges that grip onto the snow for better traction. Continental's EcoPlus technology provides added fuel efficiency. This tire fits a variety of cars such as coupes, sedans, minivans, and crossovers. The symmetric tread pattern improves steering response by providing continuous tread contact with the road. The deeper grooves also help on wet surfaces, by removing water from under the tread. As for stability and durability, there are 2 steel bands supported with polyamide adding to the strength and tread life. And the tires have an extra layer of enforced rubber to absorb vibrations for comfort while driving. Continental claims this is their longest-lasting all-season tire. Number 3. Firestone All-Season Tire. These all-season tires from Firestone are a practical option that fit with a variety of cars such as coupes, sedans, minivans, and crossovers. The tire has added durability and stability thanks to the polyester casing below 2 wide steel belts reinforced with nylon. With a 65,000-mile treadwear warranty, the tire does fairly well in wet and light snow conditions. There are 4 circumferential grooves that improve wet grip, and the deep sipes in the tread pattern help add traction in snow. The symmetrical tread pattern means that tread wear is pretty even. Many reviewers have reported that they don't have great traction in the snow and can be noisy. Number 4. Nexen Classe Premier CP662. If you're looking for a cheaper option, this is a great all-season tire that gets the job done. It is compatible with sedans, coupes, and compacts. The 4 straight wide grooves on the tire increase wet traction and anti-hydroplaning performance, while the lateral grooves support traction and braking in wet and snowy weather. The tire has twin steel belts supported by a nylon cased with polyester for added durability. Stability comes in with a straight center rib block that aids with directional driving. However, you will get what you pay, and some reviewers have reported a lower treadwear performance than other comparable tires. Number 5. Hankook Ventus Street RH06. This Hankook tire is a surprisingly good choice for its cheaper price. These tires are designed for larger cars such as SUVs and are known for their durability. Hankook claims that the computerized ply line development and tire footprint shape lengthens the tread wear life, and the tires come with a tread life warranty of 50,000 miles for 5 years. Compared to other tires, this one minimizes pattern noise, due to Hankook's dual-depth pitch theory, making them a quieter option. If you are looking for a high-performance tire with good traction in warm, dry, and wet conditions that also does well in light snow, these are a good option. The main concern with these tires is that they don't perform great on icy, slush, or deep snow conditions. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos, so do subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product's price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much more easier.